Hello everyone, my name is Dinesh Kabra from grade 3rd. I am going to tell today day and date. Today is Monday and date is 20 July 2026. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning everyone, my name is Amit Laripsalve from 3rd C. Today I am going to tell you thought of the day. The thought of the day is chase where discipline meets imagination. Thank you. Good morning everyone, my name is Amit Laripsalve from 3rd C. Today I am going to tell you affirmation. Today's affirmation is based on player styles. Please repeat with me. Today is a new day. I am ready to learn, grow, and do my best. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Arul Patil from grade 3rd. Today's word is resilient. It is an adjective. The meaning is able to recover quickly from difficulties. Sentence: The resilient students continued working hard despite facing challenge. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Charan Mahesh. Good morning everyone, my name is Disha Yogesh Khanade.
Good morning everyone, my name is Masira Falmujawar from grade 3.
Good morning everyone, my name is Arisha Bimani Lakshmi from grade 3.
Good morning everyone, my name is Adishri Patil from grade 3.
Good morning everyone, my name is Vidhi Indrajit Sulivanji from grade 3. I am going to tell you important of today. Today is World Chess Day.
Today we are observing World Chess Day at Shetta Olympiad School. It is observed annually on 20th July. It is also called International Chess Day.
On this day, International Chess Federation was founded in 1924. Chess is intellectual, cultural and unifying activity. It promotes fairness, inclusion and mutual respect. World Chess Day focuses to celebrate game rich history. It highlights chess as a tool for education, equality and peace.
Learning for us is success requires strategic planning and patience. If uninterrupted learning requires to build attention. How to make tough decisions under pressure. To learn from losing and pause before reacting.
Empower message to the community from Shraddha Olympiad School. Empower your mind, uplift your community. Thought is think 3 steps ahead for the better future. Thank you.